Alright, subscribers, and those of you who are just visiting for the first time, we're going to change the cabin air filter in this third generation 2016, and which is the same install for all of them after that. Cabin air filter, a Toyota Tacoma. This is going to be an easy replacement for you, but for those of you who don't know how to get in there and find where the air filter, the cabin air filter is, just hang tight. This is going to be pretty easy, and if this helps you, just hit that like button for me. Thanks. Let's go and do this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to see is this shelf here that has to get lifted up out from the left side and pulled out from the right. It's going to be, I already removed it, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you, but you lift it up off the left and slide it down to the right like that to get the shelf out. Then in the back, you're going to see here this cover. It says slide up and remove. I just popped it up and then we pull it out and leave it straight down. And in here, this next cover comes off. There's two clips. Let's see if I can do it with one hand or not. One clip on the left, yep. Pull that, and one clip here on the right with your finger, and this thing comes out. And look at how dirty it is in here. Look at all of these leaves. This is not good. I'm going to pull it out slowly so I don't get these leaves staying in there. Oh my gosh. Nasty. I say, flannel guy should have changed this a long time ago. Look at that. You can't look at it with the sun. There. Check that out. Let's look at these things side by side. Get the little pieces of leaves out of here. If you got that too, just clean it out. Otherwise the stuff's going to go into your vents. Slide the new one in. The filter will tell you the airflow, so you could potentially put it upside down. Follow the arrow. There's a little arrow here that says airflow right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Arrow facing downward, and that's where it goes. Okay, wasn't that simple enough? Look at this crap. This nasty thing. Finally got rid of it. I don't know why it took so long to change it, but don't let yours sit that long. It smells nasty inside the truck or your car when you have that thing like that. So change it. If this helped you, hit that like button, please. It definitely helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.